This is the best debit card ever, especially if you're a teen. Not only is it free, it offers so many other benefits most debit cards don't. Many parents want to start their child's journey to financial literacy, but are unsure where to start. Parents want to build their kids' credit score and open a bank for them. However, for this to happen, they need to make their child an authorized user of their credit card and go to a bank. And it's a very long and difficult process, which is not very teen-friendly. But this won't be a problem anymore because of step banking, which was created specifically with teens in mind. So what is step? And how does it work? In short, STEP is just a great way to introduce teens to the world of finance. So in this video, I will show you 6 pros and some cons of using STEP. To help parents teach their teens responsible spending habits while also letting them be more independent and responsible for managing their own finances, STEP offers a parental control that allows parents to monitor their teens' spending habits. STEP also provides a free ATM access worldwide, so your teens can easily withdraw cash when needed. And for teens who plan to apply for loans and credit cards in the future, having a way to build good credit score and increase their chance of approval is absolutely necessary. And STEP is a great way to build credit and establish a solid credit history early. STEP banking also allows teens to easily invest in crypto and stocks right from the app. This is a great way for teens to learn about investing and start building their investment portfolio. With just a few taps, teens can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or stocks like Amazon or Tesla. This feature not only is convenient, but also helps teens learn about investment strategies and the risks associated with investing. Earning reward points is another great benefit of STEP banking. By simply using the debit card, teens can earn points that can be redeemed for cash. And if they set up direct deposit, they can earn even more points, so even more cash. Now obviously, like any other apps, STEP has some cons to it. Mentioned earlier, STEP has a parental control option, but they're very limited compared to other apps. Also, the ATM withdrawal limit is $250 per day, which is quite restricting.